Hello everyone, back again with another video. So today we will go through the cause and effect diagram. So we will explore our cause and effect tool. So the purpose of this is to explore and categorize potential causes of a problem with the fishbone diagram. And so if any of you are familiar with the fishbone diagram, it pretty much helps you identify um, just root causes. And so we have an example here, and then we also have the guide on how to use it. And we have the full guide here if you want to really just go through it and just understand how to really utilize this tool with screenshots and just examples of what you'll see as a Word export or as a PDF export. So as we go back to the tool, we can see here that we have an example, just a basic example. The name of this is analysis of low product quality. And so the first one, we have the process, and then these here are the effects that we have. So, the causes, sorry. And you can see here we have complex return procedure, long wait times, and then those are here. So you can come in here and manually do this, and it sets it up for you in a clean visual that you can have, and you can export it. Or if you don't want to start from scratch, you can have AI do it for you. And that's the purpose of this, to be able to save you time. So you can do this by either uploading an image, or you can just prompt something. So let's do our supplier on time delivery scores dropped from 95% to 85%. We are trying to figure out what happened. We have multiple sites globally. All right. So as we click this, you can see this has been analyzed for us. So we have manpower, we have methods and processes, we have machines, equipment, materials, and we can go in here and actually visualize this full screen. This has been generated for us. And we can see a full root cause analysis or a fishbone diagram to be able to help us identify the cause and effect. So we can go back and adjust this if needed, and remove or add anything. But this is a great way to save you time when you're looking at a cause and effect diagram. And as you can see, the title has been generated. And so if you click export, you'll get this exported as a PDF or as a Word. And it's a very clean and neat diagram that is exported.